Hey guys, so this project just released their open world trailer of their upcoming game. All of these project's team members are public. They just moved to a new office where they will have a 200 plus people capacity to work on their project. They have over 300 plus partnerships with influencers on YouTube, Twitter, TikTok, Instagram and more. This project will be listed on 2 new major crypto exchanges. You can see the token has been going up for the last 7 days. And what project I'm talking about? I'm talking about Pikamoon. So major news for the Pikamoon project, they just announced a open world trailer for their upcoming game, which is looking insane. So right now let's see the new open world trailer. If you have already seen it, you can skip it, but let's run it. So you just saw how impressive is the trailer, and the Pikamoon project has been working on this game for the last few months. And why I am super bullish on this project is because you can see right now the Sandbox or Axie Infinity. The market cap of these projects is around billion or even $2 billion. And right now you can see the Pikamoon project value is only around 120 million, which means that this project has a potential to go 30x, 40x, even 50x higher. And this is not a financial advice, but the fact that Bitcoin has been going sideways for the last few weeks and Pikamoon has been going up for the last 7 days is insanely bullish. And the reason why I'm comparing this project to a Sandbox or Axie Infinity is because gaming in 2024-2025 will be the major ecosystem in crypto, and people usually are attracted to the new big thing, not the old one. And in my opinion, projects like Axie Infinity and Sandbox are projects of 2021. Many people know about them, but 99% of people don't know about the Pikamoon, and they don't know yet how big this project is and how many people are working on this game and the development. And right here you can see a video of the new office and how many employees they have, and the capacity of this office alone is over 200 people. And looking at the fact that this Pikamoon project team is doxed and the team is not anonymous means that this project will be going only up. And most people don't know this, but this game will be a play to earn game, which means that you will be able to earn a Pikamoon token just by playing the game. And there will be actually multiple ways that you can earn by playing and participating in the Pikamoon ecosystem. And as many people know, there was Bitcoin halving few days ago, and what this means is every 4 years Bitcoin go through this point which is called halving, which means that Bitcoin miners will be able to mine 2 times less Bitcoin, and this means that the Bitcoin supply is going down while the demand is going up. And right here you can see after every Bitcoin halving we experience the crypto bull run, the crypto euphoria. And this is another reason why I am super bullish on this Pikamoon project, is because the halving happened a few days ago, and this means that bull run is ahead of us. And in my personal opinion, and this video is not a financial advice, I think in the summer the crypto will go sideways, because most people in summer are not checking the Bitcoin price. They are basically chilling and enjoying vacation. But after summer, the Bitcoin price and the whole crypto will probably go up 2x, 3x, 5x, and I would recommend you to check this project Pikamoon, because there is a huge potential of 20, 30, even 40x gains. I personally think that this project could reach around 1 billion, 3 billion, even 5 billion market cap, because this is a gaming project and this is legit gaming project. And another reason is that the Pikamoon name is really memeable. And as you know, meme coins has been outperforming the whole crypto market by 10 times, which is really insane. And if you understand crypto, then you understand that normal people will come back to the crypto and they will most definitely invest in meme coins. And this will be the biggest meme coin season as well. And this is one of the reasons I would recommend you to not fade the Pikamoon. And I have been talking to this team privately and they have confirmed 2 new big crypto exchanges coming in the next few days. So if you have been thinking about buying Pikamoon token, this is probably your last chance to do it. So make sure your Pikamoon bag is big enough before the price pumps. So the last and biggest news I wanted to talk about is that Pikamoon project has partnerships with over 300 influencers. And these are not some small influencers. These are people with hundreds of thousands of subscribers and followers, some even with millions of subscribers. And these influencers are mostly on YouTube, Twitter, TikTok, Instagram, and more. And if you don't believe me, here you can see how many YouTube influencers are talking about Pikamoon project daily. And if you don't want to miss the latest Pikamoon updates, you should follow them on Twitter and YouTube. All the links will be in my description. So make sure you're following Pikamoon project on CoinGecko and CoinMarketCap as well by adding this token to your watch list. And you can see they are releasing updates almost every day on Twitter as well. So most definitely don't fade this project. And if you don't want to miss any upcoming crypto airdrop and NFT alpha, press that subscribe, press that thumbs up, press that notification bell so every time I upload you get the notification instantly and you don't miss out on any upcoming crypto, NFT and airdrop alpha. So thanks for watching and see you in the next video.